The first point on this continuum is the conversational fluency point, okay? This is when you are able to speak with natives and have back and forths. Your Spanish is not perfect. You mess up a lot of words. You mess up a lot of grammar. You ask them how to say this word in Spanish, but you are able to have flow or fluidity in the conversation, in the back and forth. Because fluency, the word itself, right? It's related to words like flow or fluidity, right? So there has to be a flow, a continual sort of flow of words, right? And so my definition of conversational fluency is that continual flow is in the back and forth, not necessarily in just your speech. You can still speak slowly and still be fluent. If you look at interviews of some celebrities, like if you've seen like Harry Styles, he speaks very slowly. For other celebrities, they speak very, very slowly when they speak English even, yet they're still fluent. Why? Because in the conversation, there's still a continual flow of words. There's still a back and forth. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.